Assalamu alaikum dear students, Miss Samra here. Page number 9. Now we are going to start our fourth lecture of this unit, that is intestines. Move toward the board work. Page number 9. Intestines. Intestines are the long tube inside the body, human body, that help in food digestion. It's long tube that present inside the body and break down the food into smaller pieces that food gets out of your body as a waste material. It's a part of digestive system. These intestines are the part of your digestive system. Now, the third point is how many intestines is present in your body. 2 intestines are present. First is large intestine and second small intestine. As your book shows that intestines are part of your digestive system, help in food digestion and get right food that doesn't need of your body. Question number 1. How many intestines are present in your body? 2 intestines, first large intestine and second small intestine. And these are present in tube-like structure, hoses, flexible tubes or coiled up to fit inside your body to roll or twist. Now carefully look at this figure. It is a digestive system, stomach, then foods move towards the small intestine in green shade and large intestine in red shade. From small intestine, food travels towards the large intestine and then get out of your body through anus. This is liver. This figure is just same as that on your body. Now question is here that which intestine is more longer or larger than the other? 6 meter long intestine in an adult and 1 meter long intestine. The answer is the intestine that is 6 meter long is small. How it is possible? And the intestine that is 1 meter long is large. It is because large intestine is lot wider than the small intestine, because large intestine is more wider than small. What does this intestine do in your body? Takes food from stomach and transport it towards your anus, waste material, and leaves your body. As the food travels along intestine, broken down into smaller pieces that it easy to get rid of. Figure of large and small intestine. Look at that. Now, in your notebooks, note this question in your notebook. Question is, describe your intestine and explain the work they do. The answer is, describe your intestine and explain the work that they do. Intestines are long tubes inside human body. Work. Intestines take food from stomach and transport waste food to the anus. The last topic of this unit is muscles. Page number 10. Muscles. What are muscles? Muscles are the body tissues that can contract and produce movement. They also help to move things around your body. Your heart is also a muscle. It moves blood around your body. The third point is some muscles are attached to the bones. These are the muscles that give you strength and help you to move. Exercising these muscles help them to grow. Functions. As we already know that the function of muscles is movement. How they work? They work by contracting and relaxing. Contract means get shorter and relax means get longer. Here is a question about this topic. Question number 1. How many muscles of human body have? The human body have more than 600 muscles. As we already learned that your heart is also a muscle. It moves blood. Second point, some muscles attached to your bones. The basic point is that when you are in happy mode or give smile, about 17 muscles to smile, and when you are in anger, to contract the brow in this player, 43 muscles are involved. Remembering, smiling is always easier than frowning. How muscles work? Muscles work by contracting and relaxing. What is meant by contract? Contracting means get shorter. Question number, what is meant by relaxing? Relaxing makes them longer. In this figure, you can see that when you lift your arm upward, your muscles contract. And when you move your arm downward, your muscles become relaxed. Okay students, please tally your answer from this solved exercise. Look at this. Complete the crosswords. Thank you. Learning is fun, page number 11, and the answers are: question number 1. What do the following body organs do? Brain. Brain sends messages and control all the functions in the body. B. Heart. Its job is to pump blood around the body. C. Lungs. Lungs spread oxygen throughout the body. Question number 2. Draw a diagram to show your arms muscles work when they contract. Contracted arm muscles. This is a diagram of contracted arm muscles. Look at that carefully. Now, when they relaxed. The diagram of expand arm muscles or relaxed arm muscles. Right? Third question is, what role intestines play in digestive system? Answer: intestines are a part of digestive system. They help in food digestion. Question number 4. Name the organs that control the activities of heart, lung, muscle and intestine. The brain. Thank you. Note all these questions on your notebooks.